If you're seeing that frustrating, please check your internet connection and try again. Message in Telegram on your Windows PC. This guide is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through the most effective ways to fix Telegram's connection issues on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to solve those connection errors, and you'll be back to chatting with your friends and communities without stress. Let's dive in and tackle this together. First, always start with the simplest solution, a restart. Make sure to completely close Telegram, not just click the X at the top, but exit it from the system tray too. This ensures you're fully shutting the app down, so any background processes that might be stuck are stopped as well. Give it a fresh start by reopening it. It's amazing how often a full restart can clear up stubborn hiccups. It's like giving your app a quick nap to wake up refreshed. Next, double-check your internet connection. Even if you can load websites just fine, Telegram is a bit picky. Sometimes unstable or weak connectivity disrupts its service. Try toggling your Wi-Fi off and back on, and if you have access, restart your router. If you're still having trouble, test Telegram using your mobile phone's hotspot. If Telegram starts working with the hotspot, that's a big clue the issue is with your regular internet provider, not Telegram itself. I know switching networks can seem tedious, but it's one of the fastest ways to pinpoint the problem. Another common culprit is VPNs or proxies. While these tools can protect your privacy, they sometimes clash with Telegram. Head into Telegram settings, look under Advanced, and check the connection type. Set it to Auto or No Proxy for best results. Disabling VPNs, even just for a minute, is worth trying. Many people have solved Telegram's connection errors this way. Also within the settings, while you're in Advanced, try changing the connection type. Switch it to TCP only or stick with default Auto. This little tweak alters how Telegram communicates with its servers. Depending on your network, it can make a real difference. Don't worry if one option doesn't work, just try another and see which fits your setup best. Let's talk about cache for a second. Over time, Telegram stores quite a bit of data locally, and sometimes that gets corrupted. Clearing Telegram's cache can remove any file or glitch that's tripping up the connection. In Settings, find Advanced, then Manage Local Storage, and simply clear the cache. Think of it as spring cleaning for your app. Now double-check your Windows date and time settings. If your computer's clock is off, Telegram can get confused, especially when it comes to security and syncing messages. Go to Date and Time settings, make sure Set Time Automatically is enabled, and hit Sync Now. It only takes a moment, and sometimes this tiny adjustment does the trick. Don't forget about your antivirus. Some security programs, especially Avast, Kaspersky, or Bitdefender, have features that scan web traffic and can accidentally block Telegram's connections. Try temporarily disabling the web or HTTPS scanning just for a test. Immediately reopen Telegram to see if it connects. If it does, great, you've identified the block and can adjust your antivirus settings accordingly. Finally, it's worth checking Windows Firewall. Open up Windows Defender Firewall, click Allow an app through Firewall, and make sure Telegram Desktop has ticks for both private and public connections. If Telegram isn't listed, add it manually by selecting Allow another app and finding Telegram, exe. This ensures your computer's security software isn't mistakenly blocking Telegram. Working through these steps should cover all the common reasons for Telegram internet connection issue. Don't stress if you need to try a couple of different fixes, sometimes it's a combination that makes everything click. If this video helped you solve your Telegram woes, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or run into any tricky issues, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.